Hello everyone, this is Taros Galaxy 1111. Today I am going to do the reading for the Aries for August 2020. What are the monthly messages? What is the what is coming in the August month for the Aries? I will do for the every sign Aries, Leo, every 12 signs. You can check out my videos and you can subscribe my channel so that you will get the notification for each and every video. Okay, so today I am going to start with the Aries August 2020, and I will pull some advice cards for the month of the August 2020 from the unicorn deck. Okay, so we will see what is coming in the August month for the Aries. What is coming in the month of August for the Aries? What is coming for the Aries in the August month? What the messages for the Aries in the month of August? Okay, first card is Six of Pentacles. Very good. Queen of Cups. Okay, Nine of Cups in reverse. We will take why the Nine of Cups in reverse. Why the Nine of Cups in reverse? Why the Nine of Cups in reverse? Okay, Eight of Swords. And a Hierophant. Okay, so why the Six of Pentacles here? Why the Six of Pentacles here? Why the Six of Pentacles here? Okay, very good. Why the Moon? Why the Queen of Cups is here? Why the Queen of Cups is here? Okay, and the bottom of the deck is Ten of Wands in reverse. Very good. So in the August for the Aries, the messages are: you will get the justice, you will get the money, you will get the justice. Some viewers have been facing the issues regarding the money problem or regarding the legal issues. Okay, so some of the any business person or the merchant who can offer you, he will come to he will offer you some help. Okay, he will offer you the money, he will offer you the justice to you. I think you people are doing with you people are dealing with the Libra person. Okay, or Aries, Leo, Virgo, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so your this problem will get sorted out. Whatever the money problem or the legal issues that may be, that will be sorted out. Okay, in the August, and currently or in the July or before the July, you was waiting for the result. There was no movement, but you had done the work and you was waiting for your reward, and now it is going to come to you. Okay, you has been struggle for it. Okay, you was guarded with your sword, you was guarded with your full power and energy. Okay, and it was hidden from you, the things were hidden from you, but now it has been come into the light. Okay, so you will get the reward, you will get the money, you will get the legal justice. Okay, or some some Libra person will help you out from your current situation. Okay, and other the message is, the second message is Queen of Cups. Even though it is a queen, it can be male energy also. It is not the gender based reading. Okay, so energy can be flip flop. It can be the divine masculine, but he is in divine feminine energy. Okay, so that person maybe offer you the cup of love, the cup of commitment, joy. Okay, that person is offering you, that person may be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Strongly I feel the Cancer person. Okay, and that person is very wise and a very nurturing, caring, loving person. That person is ready to offer you the cup of love. Okay, she is observing her cup and she is ready to give the cup to the other half, or it might be the business partner. Okay, so you will get the business offer. Okay, and that will be the new beginning. Okay, that will be the new beginning of your career, of your love life, of your life. Okay, this will be the turning point of your life, and this cup will means you a lot. Okay, this will fill you all your lifetime purposes, or all your efforts will get paid off. Okay, so this will be the new beginning. Okay, which can be for the lifetime. The universe is offering you this cup. Okay, in the form of any person, or you can be offering to yourself, because some of you may be having water sign strongly in your natal chart. Okay, and the third message is Nine of Cups in reverse. So if the Nine of Cups is in upright, it shows us the wish fulfillment card. Okay, and some type of ego also there for some time. It is not applicable to everyone, but sometime it is there, because all the wishes are coming true, and this person is small, little bit the egoistic person. It is reverse in this reading. So you might be feeling your all the wishes are not coming true, even though if it is, but you are it might be your thinking, it might be your mental thought, or it might be the physical condition, that some you are facing some obstacle, you are facing some problems to come your all the wishes true, come to make your all wishes true. Okay, because that reason is you have been stuck. Some people are stuck in their mind. Okay, there are mental so some people are just having the self limitation, they are not trusting their self, they are just doubting to their intuitions and their thoughts. See, this person has been blindfolded, so you are not thinking, you are not seeing the thing properly. Okay, that's why you are not seeing that your wishes are come true, because see, there is, you will get the justice, you will get the coins, you will get the finance, you will get all the help. Okay, and you also get the cup of love. Okay, some of you get business partnership, some of you get the better job, or some of you get the love proposal, and which will be your new beginning regarding your finance, regarding your work life, regarding your love life. But still you are feeling that no, my wishes are not coming true, my dreams are not coming true. But it is your for some of you, it is your mental thought, you have to come out of this. Okay, you have to come out of all these energies. Okay, because you having lot of burdens, you having lot of burdens of your family responsibility, or even if it, or even though there are no burdens, but your mental thoughts are just limiting your all the things, all the actions that are pulling you behind. Okay, so you just have to take off all the burdens, all the responsibilities, and see wisely. Okay, remove this blindfolded attitude, and you can see things clearly that yes, your wishes are coming true. Okay, because see here, ace of swords, queen of cups, and even the six of pentacles. So a lot of cards are suggesting us, and even this is nine of cups is also in reverse, because you have to come out of this energy. Okay, you have to come out of this energy, then only the you can see the your happy your positive thing in your way. Okay, and for this, the Taurus person might be significant for you. Okay, this person may be your boss, maybe your senior person, maybe this person is your it is this person is in your family who having Taurus in his chart or her chart. That person may be religious, very cultural, but he will guide you in the correct path. He will give you the keys of your happiness. Okay, which will lead to the new beginning and wish fulfillment. Okay, so Taurus person may be significant for you, or maybe the Libra person. I strongly feel the Libra person may be significant for you. See 5 and 6. So you just have to remove all the blindfolded things, and you just have to focus on your third eye chakra. Open your third eye chakra. Okay, so that you can see all your dreams are coming true. Okay, so now I will pull some advice cards for you. What are the advice, and I will let you know the affirmations for that. Okay, what is the advice for the Aries? This reading is applicable for the Sun, Moon, and Venus rising. Okay, what is the advice for the Aries in the August 2020? Honesty. For honesty will ultimately be rewarded. So be honest with yourself, be honest with other people, and you will get rewarded. I told you in the beginning of the reading, your rewards are here. Okay, you will be rewarded. You will be rewarded. The whatever the hidden things, hidden bonus from you, that will come into the light. Okay, you will rewarded. Feather. This calling card from the unicorns, that they are tell you, that tells us that they are near to you. Okay, universe is near to you. Closeness. 5. Your unicorns is very close to you. See, they are near to you and they are close to you to help you out. Okay, and mystery. Explore the unknown. Unexpected awaits you. Explore the unknown. The unexpected awaits you. These all are the unexpected things. You might be not in the mindset that you will rewarded, you will paid, you will have all the bonus from this, you will get the justice, but trust the universe, trust the God, the miracles will be happen. Okay, these are mysteries. Okay, and the bottom of the deck is the listening. 33. Listen and the answers will be revealed. Okay, listen to your intuitions. I told you, you just have to open your third eye chakra and open your heart chakra. Okay, your answers will be revealed. Whatever hidden things. Okay, there was lot of hidden things around you, with you, but they will come into the light. Okay, previously that the things were hidden from you, but now it will come into the light. Okay, so very nice. I will let you know the affirmations. Okay, the honesty. I act with the honor and integrity in all the things. Okay, this is your affirmation. I act with the honor and integrity in all the things. All the things means in your career life, in your personal life. Okay, the feather. The feather tells us it. I look for the message from the unicorns today. Okay, universe will send you the different messages in different ways. Okay, you might be seeing the synchronicities, lot of synchronicities. 11 11 12 12. See, this is the card of 33 3 3. listening. Your answer will be your questions will be answered. So the second thing is feather. Second card is feather. I look for the message from unicorns today. So you people are maybe seeing the synchronicities. 33, the scale is going to be balanced. See, I told you, scale is going to be balanced. Okay, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. You will get the justice, you will get the desired benefits from your work. Okay, so your affirmation is I look for a message from the unicorns today. You can say unicorn, you can say universe, you can say God, whatever you believe. Okay, then closeness. I know my unicorns are close me. Okay, I know my unicorns is close to me. Okay, they are helping you out to get all the benefits. It will be the fruitful benefits. Okay, so the closeness, whatever your tough cycles that are going to end. Okay, the tough cycles. 10 of wands, 10 is the completion of one cycle, and this is in reverse for your reading. So it is going to end. Whatever the toxic situation, you have to pull your burden off. Okay, it will going to end. Then the second card is the mystery. I am looking for the unexpected. Trust the God, trust the process, I told you, because unexpected things are going to happen. Even though in previously you was in the mindset that this will not going to work out, my this wish will be not be coming true. Okay, but you have to come out of the illusion, you have to come out of all the things, all the stuck mindset and insides. Okay, whatever the negative thoughts, toxic thoughts, and whatever the conflict, internal external conflict. Okay, you have to come out of that. Then only you will see the unexpected things happening for you, happening around you for you. Okay, so the affirmation is I am looking for the unexpected. Okay, so believe on the unicorns, believe on the universe. The unexpected things will come to you. Then the listening. 33. So your affirmation is I quieten my mind and listen to my unicorns today. Okay, so you have to believe the God, you have to trust to the God. I told you to open your third eye chakra and open your heart chakra. Open your third eye chakra, open your heart chakra, then only you will be happy to receive all the things are coming to you. Universe is going to give you a lot. You just have to be receptor. Okay, be receptor, you just have to take it. Okay, with the trust and with the honor and integrity. So this was your reading. So please let me know in the comment section if it is resonating with you, and if you want any personal reading in detail, so you can contact me in the I will share my contact details in the description box. You can contact me, and please let me know in the comment section if readings are resonating with you, and if you want any new readings with the new topics, I would like to do all the readings. And please like and share my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will meet you in the next video. Okay, bye bye, take care.